Hi there, I am your survival guru. I will teach you how to survive different situations. You're hiking in the mountains, everything is clear, but suddenly you receive a warning notification about an incoming blizzard. What will you do? A blizzard is a severe snowstorm with wind speed of up to 56 km per hour and can last for 4 hours. A blizzard can cause decreased visibility, power outages, and even unfortunate deaths.
You have to keep flashlights and batteries as you are likely to experience power outages. Store winter clothes to keep warm and safe from the harsh weather.
Stay indoors and keep your pets and livestock within a safe place or home. Keep blankets, medicines, important documents, first aid, and protective gear at hand.
Keep battery-enabled radios charged and ready, as you may not have power supply. Snow shovels should be kept ready as your driveway will be covered by snow and drizzle. Stay inside and safe. Keep your loved ones, babies, pets, and livestock safe and sound. If you do go outside, have ropes and other utility items with you to ensure a safe return. You can stay inside the car if you are stranded in a blizzard. Keep the inside warm, raise the hood. Have blankets, sleeping bags, medicines, chargers, snow-removing tools, and other items in your car. That's it for today. If you like the video, like, comment, share. For more videos like this, subscribe to the channel.